In a world where access to life-saving medication can mean the difference between hope and heartbreak, counterfeit drugs remain a silent predator, undermining trust, risking lives, and costing over $200 billion globally each year. In 2024 alone, the World Health Organization (WHO) estimated that 1 in 10 medical products in low and middle income countries were substandard or falsified. Across Africa and Southeast Asia, over 15,000 deaths were linked to counterfeit antibiotics and antimalarials. According to Interpol's Operation Panja 17, 2024, criminal networks trafficked over 600 tons of illicit medicines across more than 90 countries, seizing everything from fake oncology drugs to falsified cardiovascular treatments. India, one of the largest drug exporters, intensified its crackdowns. Over 80 FIR were registered against fake drug rackets in 2024, and ours to 50 plus crore worth of counterfeit medicines were seized by Indian authorities from illegal manufacturers and traders. The need for verified, traceable drug supply chains has never been greater. That's where ICRIS Pharma Network steps in. ICRIS is more than just a pharmaceutical company, it's a lifeline. Every medicine sourced, packed, and shipped by ICRIS undergoes rigorous authentication protocols, procured only from licensed manufacturers, securely delivered under globally recognized legal frameworks like the Named Patient Program. With a presence across Asia, Africa, Latin America, and Eastern Europe, ICRIS ensures genuine, hard to find medications reach the hands of those who need them most, especially for oncology, rare diseases, and unapproved therapies in local markets. When patients can't afford mistakes, ICRIS delivers certainty. Because in the fight against counterfeit medicines, it's not just about stopping a threat. It's about restoring faith, saving lives, and shipping hope across borders, one genuine medicine at a time.